If you had 10K and wanted to invest in only 3 altcoins with sure shot potential of 15x, what would you invest in? If I had 10K and I could invest in, so basically 3,300 or so in each altcoin, looking for 15x, I would buy peak. I think that's a no-brainer at this point. There's one that's not trading. Very bullish on Andrena. I think they're targeting a Q3 launch, but this is, I mean, obviously they're similar, but it's giving me Helium Network vibes. Now, our fund did invest. They're building the decentralized internet. I mean, how simple does that get? Web3 and decentralized internet. I think it kind of sells itself. Right? So the same way how people were buying Helium hotspots, but that was for IoT. That was for, honestly, a smaller market, right? That was for Lime scooters, kitchen appliances, just small stuff. And then they, after building that network of over 1 million hotspots, they then built a mobile carrier, Helium Mobile, off of that network. But what if we just skip straight to building a decentralized internet? That is huge. So this is Andrena. So very, very bullish. Company's already making revenue. They launched in New York. They'll be building on or launching on Solana. Dragonfly was the lead VC for the last 2 rounds, and some other VCs also invested. But I mean, this is one where I'm planning to double down, but this is not trading yet. If we're talking about altcoins that are trading, that could give a 15x, the altcoins I have Alephium, I have Swarm Markets, because all those are low cap. So I think in the bull run, they're going to do well. Parcel, I still have. I mean, honestly, lots of projects are going to do a 15x. But if I could pick 3, those that are trading now, I like Gearbox, I like Parcel still. I like Astra DAO. I mean, Astra DAO with the launchpad, I know that it's not done so well with the price, but obviously I'm biased. But I think the launchpad, once that launches, and once we have basically projects in our network, we'll be sending them to Astra DAO to launch on there, right? Obviously, it's up to them to make sense, but begin making projects launch on there, and it'll be a cross-chain launchpad. So not just Arbitrum, not just Ethereum. Right? So imagine, I don't know if this is possible, getting projects pretty much like we can reach out to all these projects and see who's open to launching, whether it's Nimble, whether it's some other project. So definitely bullish on that. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Token Metrics. Get there using the link down below.